Hi guys, welcome to Paias and Luna show. And these are my new pets. This is the male one over here, which is going over there. And his name is KURU. And this is the female one, as you can see over there. And her name is Kyra. And this is, as you know, our Luna. See, this is our Luna. And these are my new pets, Kyra and Kuru. I hope you love them. I'll make a new video with Luna and Kyra and Kuru in the next video coming soon. Love, thank you. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.